like 200 baht each for the ride?
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope, all on you, buddy.
Nope. You go to airport link.
Oh, I thought that was that. Are you recording or is that a picture?
No, I'm recording.
Oh.
Alright, he needs to know exactly where we're going. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's the D1.
The Don Moon. Where you going?
Singapore.
Singapore.
Alright.
Yes.
Have you been? No.
He doesn't care.
หน้าทางตะวันออกเฉียงเหนือไปตามถนนเลย
Phnom Penh, America.
What does that mean?
We're American. Bye?
ชอบ
Yeah, he likes Americans.
No, he's only saying that because he's drunk.
No.
He knows what I'm talking about.
Sorry.
Well, we love Thailand.
อ๋อ
And,
เปิดไทยดูกันดี
ชอบ
yeah.
ท้ายมา
We are just approaching our 4th toll booth since we've been on this ride to the airport. Amazing. Well, we haven't even been in 30 minutes and this is already the 4th toll booth. And the cab driver starts laughing when I said number 4, so he knows what I'm talking about. A lot. It's crazy. We just got to the airport to go to Singapore, and this is what it looks like. There seems to be no organization to it, and it's just crowded and we're not moving. It feels like Bangkok traffic here. Wow.
Are men really that unsatisfying to you that you do not like seek pleasure for yourself? Or is this
Yes.
just America?
No, it's true.
Is it just America or whatever? But
Were they married? Were they all married?
No. They had been married, like one or two had been married prior. They were fine going weeks without sex or masturbating. And I was like, we have lots of sex and it's very fulfilling. Each time there's multiple orgasms.
In all honesty, I should probably get my microphone in all honesty. I wasn't recording any of that. But once again, a lot of fun stuff where we were laughing and joking and messing with James. For some reason we didn't get it on video. So yes, that entire time we were ragging on James and about gay sex. Gays. For some reason I had accidentally tapped and turned it off. Such a bummer because doing this at an airport because they didn't have a bar.
And this was the most hectic and efficient airport I've ever been to. Even poor airports with no money and less technology function better than this one.
So, accusing James of being 15 and then we upgraded him to 19.
After
then,
this experience, he's
yeah.
gotten a little older and more manly.
Yeah.
He's grown into himself.
And then super cautious of accidentally hitting the button that takes the record off. And then we turned him gay. Hairy gay man sex, but he missed it. And that was my fault, so I didn't check to see that we were recording. I think James is playing Tetris. He's really focused.
No, it's called aggressive dating apping.
Are you doing a lot of swiping, James?
It looks like it was very active over there.
You're determined to hit Singapore
Hard.
on the ground running, huh?
You're gonna go to Singapore so hard. So hard.
So hard.
So hard. You're gonna hit it so hard.
This is fun. This is good entertainment to rag on James. Yes, texting away furiously. Oh, did I bother you?
No.
Keep going. I'm giving commentary. So I think you're right about the women being unsatisfied with straight sex. I think all women need another woman.
At least once in their lives.
Or
Because you know they've wondered about
but that's
it.
the importance of threesomes, you know.
Knowledge is a lot.
It looks like I've been drinking. Look how red my face is.
When I drink, it has a reverse effect. So what's your NLP?
How can I get super good at NLP? Like super really good.
I've already answered that many times.
I don't have so many NLP questions right now.
Because you already asked them all.
I asked them all. I know everything.
What's your best NLP question that I've already answered for you?
Your course. Why is rapport important? Why is that the foundation we kind of start on?
Okay. Good. All right. We got it. I got my next vlog.
I need it. It's obnoxious and I know it. Trust me.
Obviously, Seagull is drunk and making fun of me.
I'm not drunk. I'm making fun of him for a solid reason. He only matched with 2 women in Singapore and he's depressed. And so I have to put some reality into his soul and let him know that it's not the end of the world.
That's why I keep you around.
I told him he's a poor
Keep me
son of a-
grounded. Jeez. Strong language.
I know, it's so vicious.
Yeah, it's not cool.
We'll get over it.
I will.
Yeah.
I kind of like it though.
You like honesty.
Alright, let's rag on James now. Okay, let's beat him up. Let's
You
beat him
good
up.
bastard.
Wow. You're all about the
On fire.
strong language.
I don't know about this one walking in between me. Her skirt says something different than I think she's trying to imply.
I think she wants you.
I'm quite certain she does.
Yeah, they all do, don't they?
Obviously.
Even the ones I bring home. Seagull's really upset because they charge for water and they skipped us. They just went right past us with the drink service, completely skipped our row, didn't ask us if we even wanted anything. So she has an idea of how to get out of her aggression.
I'm going to spite them and do it.
Just arrived in Singapore, so we can talk shit about the king now, which I've been dying to do ever since I got off.
Dude, be careful of that.
No,
You'll never go back to Thailand again.
I'm joking. I don't have anything against the king, but I just thought it was funny. We had to watch ourselves and we can't talk about that. We couldn't even talk about Elvis. Like, that's how bad it was.